Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will like to some tutorial is for the first thing is how to install an FNG on VMware, and the second thing what is VMware, and the next is with some basic operation in FNG if you already installed it. Okay, so for the first you open your browser and then type FNG. Okay. So, what is EVNG is? EVNG is one of the software that help us to simulation some project. Like in here, we can do anything with some of the device type. So, for example, uh, in FNG, there are many things, many type of device. It there is Cisco, there is about Recorded also, and there is about Juniper also. So so FNG is used to practice something that something that we need to learn, and something that we need to do in real life. So we can test it on FNG first. If there's bug, we can fix on FNG. So there are many type of FNG. That is the FNG Professional Edition, and we need to download. That is this thing. Okay, in download, we need to download this thing. Okay, so this FNG needs to be paid. So I already have some of the file FNG. So because of that, next to the what VMware. Okay, okay. VMware is one of the VMware is one of the virtual machine uh, that published by Broad.com, and this is not the free one, but if you want to free, you can also VirtualBox, VBox, or VirtualBox that is made by Oracle. So the best thing is this is a virtual machine that can run something. Example, there is a server. We can run some Ubuntu server in the some VM, and also we can run EVNG in this virtual machine. So if you don't have VMware, you can start with the free one, that is VirtualBox. This one is made by Oracle, and the VMware made by Broadcom. So what is the difference between VMware and also VirtualBox? Okay, I'll give you something. Okay, okay. Um, okay. So this is the view of VMware. They are simple, and also the UI it's the UI is simple, and also it can help many things. many of my project. And wait, and then this is the virtual box. Yeah, the UI is a little bit different because I don't know, just the different one. So for me, the good things I prefer to use virtual machine VMware than VirtualBox because only the UI. The UI is pretty. The UI is not simple, like not like VMware. Okay, let's switch to VMware. Okay. So how to install FNG in VMware? So the first thing the we need to do is file. Okay. Go to my computer at home. Go to home, and then open a virtual machine because FNG is there is some virtual machine in FNG. If we don't have FNG, probably some virtual machine. Okay, okay. So there are FNG.com, strip VM, strip OVF. So the difference between virtual machine and VirtualBox, that is the file. The files is different. If VMware, it use .ovm or OVF. If VirtualBox, I forgot, they use what? So we need just to upload this one. Okay. So in here just type your name, your file name, FNG like this. So you just pick the folder. You can create folder in your maybe something in file folder, and after that you just click OK and then import. Okay, back to the FNG. If you already import, so you can play or power on this virtual machine. Oh yeah, right. In virtual machine, in VMware, you can also edit this virtual machine. This is the for the RAM. You can add it to 16 gigabyte or maybe only 2.5, 2.5 I guess. Or the hard disk. We cannot edit the hard disk. We just can expand the hard disk. We cannot decrease the hard disk or something like that. Oh yeah, in virtual machine in VMware, so the first thing is that you cannot open your FNG without your unchecklist. You unchecklist this virtual interactivity. You must unchecklist this one, and then number of processor. I use two. If these things is checklist or is checklist, you cannot run the FNG or some file. You must uncheck it first, and then just click OK. Then or on this virtual machine. Go. Oh yeah, correct. So you cannot see the last time. So in here we can. So in here you can edit the filter machine settings. You can edit to the other one, and then the processor. You must I choose I pick two, and then the most important thing that is you need to uncheck list this virtual in this Idafiti strip X slash EPT. You need to uncheck list because if check list there are requirements like this. What there are something requirement like this. Like, okay, there's no requirement. Yeah. Okay. So after you because I already checked list. So after you open the EVNG, you need to enter the login username that is root, and also the password is EVNG, is EV, like this, the in the upper one, and we already received the IP from from this EVNG. So we go to the browser, Chrome, we go to Chrome, and then go to new tab, and then you just type the IP of your FNG, and then we need to change from native console to HTML5 console, and then the username, the default is admin, and the password is EV. Username admin and the password is EV. Alright. So there are many things that you can do in FNG. You can add some new lab name. I don't know, tutorial maybe like this on. And okay, I will explain something a little bit about this EVNG. So there are many things in this menu. That is, there are node networks. Net network is like they are something that device, and also the node. There is node device also, and then configure object device also. Yeah, like wait, we use the this one. Okay. If we select node, there are many nodes in here. The template or the device name is IOL. The device mainly name is IOL. Yeah, because I use Cisco, so I use Cisco IOL. And then network, I didn't setting it. Configure object. There are some, there are already configure object that is on text. Yeah, because it's only object. And this is lab detail. Okay, status. Okay, this is status. Okay, this is dark mode and light mode. You can choose. Okay. So there are nodes. In here there is node network. If we press M2, there are or right mouse, there are node network, picture, custom shape, text, and auto line. So the first thing is text, yeah, just text like normal. IP maybe example. So after we save it, there are text like this thing, okay? IP. So if we need to delete only just delete, press right mouse or M2, and then there we go to the next is custom shape, okay? Circle, okay. It's only shape this thing like this, yeah. You can also uh, customize it, and to delete is same. And also there is network. Network is we can add some network device that can connect to the other device. Like we add Pixel Internet in here. But, there are many things. There are management cloud and also cloud. Okay. So if this cloud, you can also connect them with the router maybe. And for the next thing that is not. If no, there are many things that you can do. That is, we can pick some device. There are many devices in there. From Android, there are Cisco, there are Nokia, Juniper, Huawei, Dell, there is PC, and Aruba, Brocket, Barracuda, Apple, and many things. There are firmwares also in here, and also Windows Server. So later, the next tutorial will be using only one device, that is Cisco IOL. So this basically only normal router, yeah, like this. So we can configure many things in here. Okay. So maybe just out for this tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.